been working on cleaning up parts for Speedy's transmission. And unfortunately, the more I see of them, the less I like. Because this is the input gear in first. And it looks pretty okay, or not input gear in first, input gear in fourth. And it looks pretty good. Here's the sliding gear for third and fourth. And you can see some wear, especially on this side in fourth. Looks pretty darn good. So these two are usable. This is sliding first and second. Well, I really don't love that gear, the wear on that gear face. It should look about like those gear faces. So, could probably get by with this one. It'll be a pain in the backside to shift her in and out of into first and second with that gear. It's the reverse idler. The profiles of those two gear faces should be identical. That's very much not the case. That's from them pulling up, slamming it into reverse before the entire transmission stopped moving to get it up to the pile a little bit faster. And that wasn't bad enough, because I could probably clean that up and make it work-ish. Every single one of these, the drive side face on this reverse idler, on this gear section, or the forward section, every single drive face has pretty severe amount of material starting to lift. So this, no good. Rather not use that if I don't have to. Cluster gear here. This gear in very nice shape. That's the constant mesh input. And then down here on the sliding gear goes into third. Slides in like so. Gear faces there aren't bad. I could live with that. Not great, not horrible. Fortunately, this is where we start getting into the really gnarly stuff. This is, believe this drives both the reverse and second. That's where this reverse idler would have crashed into there. And this would have also. So this leading face, again, I could probably clean it up and live with it. I don't love it, but I could live with it. Same first, actually a little better, probably because it just had the first gear sliding going into it, not like third, where it was the third gear sliding face and the reverse idler face. You can see on that one too. The camera will pick it up. It's starting to lose material from a lot of those gear teeth too, so that's junk. This is really junk. And this, rather not use. These two are still good. That transmission got pulled off of the 48 parts truck. Unfortunately, the gear teeth on it don't look any better. In fact, in some cases, they look worse. These are both faces on these are on the 1-2 sliding gear rounded off, just like on Speedy's. And on this one, since it was a road truck hauling a log bunk, gear teeth, or the sliding face of the 3 is ground off too, and back there on the input. Yeah, and the counter counter shaft is worn just as badly. So unfortunately, this is not where Speedy is going to get its gear set from. Fortunately, that leaves me out of a gear set for Speedy, since those gears in the gray truck are bad, or no better. But this one and this one are the two that I really need to replace. Because I could probably get by with this one, you know, clean up the gear face, the face and teeth. Fortunately, that's a pretty major stumbling block for the transmission. I kind of got it squirreled away in a pile there until I can find new gears for it to finish putting it together. But fortunately, still plenty of work to do on the axle. I've got the differential carrier out of it, so that should be still plenty of work to do on it, even though that's not exactly what I wanted to go to next, because I'd wanted to get that finished up. But got a few feelers out trying to source a new set of gears for it. No luck so far, but hopefully sooner or later. So, thanks for watching.